Hi everyone, my name is Bruno from Thinkware Customer Support, and today we'll be talking about the battery drainage issue. The parking mode feature in our dashcams allows the unit to continue to receive power and continue to record even when the vehicle is off. This means that even though the vehicle is not running, the dashcam is still dragging power from the battery. When not wired properly, it can cause the dashcam to drain your vehicle's battery, which can be a big inconvenience. To avoid this, all our dashcams have a battery protection with a voltage cutoff option. This allows you to select at what voltage you would like the dashcam to power off, in case the battery's voltage gets too low while in parking mode. There are a number of factors that can cause your Thinkware dashcam to drain your vehicle's battery. Some newer vehicles offer a constant power 12-volt outlet. This means that when the vehicle is off, this outlet is still receiving power and can still power on any electronic devices such as a dashcam or a GPS. When using this port, our dashcams won't recognize when the vehicle is on or off, causing the dashcam to stay on when the vehicle is off but not entering parking mode, therefore not enabling the battery protection and voltage cutoff. This will cause the dashcam to stay on until the vehicle's battery is completely drained. When hardwiring our dashcams, the ACC cable, which is the red cable, must be plugged into an ACC fuse in the vehicle's fuse box. This cable will lose power once you turn the vehicle off. The constant cable, which is the yellow cable, must be plugged into a constant fuse. This cable will continue to receive power once the vehicle is off. The dashcam recognizes this changing power and switches to parking mode, enabling the battery protection and voltage cutoff. With this setup, the dashcam won't cause any battery drainage. If the ACC cable, or the red cable, is plugged into a constant fuse, this will cause the dashcam to constantly receive power from the red cable, not recognizing when the vehicle is on or off. Therefore, the dashcam will stay on until the battery is drained. If the constant cable, or the yellow cable, is plugged into an ACC fuse, the dashcam will power off when the vehicle is off and not enter parking mode. If you're using the OBD cable to power your dashcam, it's unlikely that you will experience any battery drainage issues. However, if you do, this may be caused by a defective ignition module. The ignition module is the part that communicates with the dashcam as to when the vehicle is on or off. We do not recommend powering our Thinkware dashcams with an always-on 12-volt port, as this won't enable parking mode and battery protection even though the dashcam stays on once the vehicle is off. When hardwiring the dashcam, we recommend professional installation, as a professional will be able to determine the best setup for your vehicle, make and model. We also offer instructions on our website and a tutorial video on our YouTube channel. If powering the dashcam with the OBD cable, check the red light on the OBD cable, as this light will be on when the vehicle is on and will turn off when the vehicle is off. When powering off the vehicle, ensure that you hear the dashcam announcing "Parking recording will now start."
Parking recording will now start.
This is a confirmation that the dashcam is in parking mode with the battery protection enabled.